What's the live, what's the life, what's the live, what's the life? Back again with another video, back again with another episode of Let's Chat About It. I go by the name The Real Mats and I'm here with...
Pistoles guy one more ngazongazora ngizwa ngendaba.
Yes, it's been a hectic week. I won't lie, it's been a hectic week. Like, oh.
Maya, on your side.
Like everything on my chat, I saw a video. Yaga Shaba. Shaba 2K. He posted a video expressing how he feels. So he was talking about the family, the things that he goes through, and I just thought, Gucci, it's a good thing for him to use the platform to raise awareness, because it's not about him also, it's about amanyama family. And a lot of people would think ukuthi ngoba uShaba uhlezi ayenza ama joke, hlezi simbona hleka, so akadili nezinto as tough. So for him to do that video, like I was proud of him saying yo umjida, like
what happened?
I don't know, he was talking about ukuthi usiswa wakhe misuse abantwana bakhe, abantwana bakasiswa wakhe. Like she's not a good mother, she's a present mother, but she's not a good mother in it. And for him to use that platform, it's like you've grown this platform to where it is, and now this same platform helps you
to express yourself,
to reach out for help. So I think that's a good thing, and yeah, shout out to him for that.
I know Shaba is a troll. Yeah, but I do think that is staged.
Yeah, I think some of the beefs, I think they staged even. Just so entertain abantu ini.
But he's a good entertainer, I don't know, I lie.
So yeah, that's been on my chat.
What's been on my chat? Yo, I was thinking, but I will say this on the next episode. What's on my chat currently is stepfathers. Do you think our stepfathers, they play a good role on other people's children? Like when I come to no baby mama wako, basically no some other nigga who'll step in, take care of your kids. Do you think they're playing a huge role, or sometimes they abuse?
I think it goes both ways. Corner my stepfathers are good, corner my stepfathers are grand. And so corner my stepfathers are good, corner my stepfathers are bad. And so in most cases you'd find that corner no tumchito grandi, uthola ugeli onengosi. Umjida takes care of ingosi engathi ingosi yakhe. He doesn't even bother time, whether you are there for ingosi yakho or you are not there. He's not bothered because uncanywa umama wengosi. Yabona? So and ama-gents, we know ama-gents, they always have comments ukuthi you are weak, why are you being a stepfather? I can never be a stepfather in but then angeke ujudge situation yomuntu.
So what if a stepfather is competing with you, like when
that's the problem.
When you try that little you have buy cake, base stepfather figure the bang buy the Mercedes Benz I feel stepfather die when I don't buy the cake, yellow 120, 150. Stepfather buy the motor.
That's the problem. I saw a
especially
post
when they have the bigger bag than you.
I saw a post on Facebook, I don't know by who, but this guy was saying, is it wrong if I find a chick anomntana, then ngiyamkhulisa lo mntana loyo, then eventually I have my own kid nanogelo, then I take my kid to a private school with the money that I have, and the money that I have is not enough. It's enough to take one kid to a private school. I take my son to a private school. And then umntana komunye umjida yena uya ku normal school. Is it a bad thing for you to take care of your kid?
It's not a it's not a bad thing, but what are you?
Because it's not like
this deep.
It's not like it's like imali can only be enough for umntana wakho or for umntana one, which is you want what's best for umntana wakho. You can't suffer for omunye umjida ongafuni what's best for umntana wakhe. So
because another thing is, let's say no, I'm a stepfather, I'm told ngizwana no girl kwashawacima wena you a deadbeat ubalekela ingcosi yakho bese mina I take care of the kid until akhula bese wena njengoba usilizile wena soyabuya la sohlanganisile
Thanks.
so ne cheese
Thanks.
you come back so uzofuna ukuthatha ingcosi yakho claim your child. That's a problem ngiyangithola. So uyabuya manje now you want to claim your child. Umntana in now no baby mama say entertainer. That's a bad thing
because amachita abamabhaya abalekiswa ukuthi things are hectic. When things are starting to be like good, now they want to come back. And also this goes out to amachita. We don't advise our friends ukuthi mchita be there for your kids. Be there for imedi yakho. We always talk at Grove, we always talk Mastagiyo, but as Chutani isn't a you can hardly hear guys saying, let's take care of our babies. My private school. We don't talk about that. Whenever say Chutana, whenever we together. And I'm not saying I'm better. Namnyas bala cause I'm saying Masama cheetah. Most of the times it's Chutana isn't this wrong. As Chutana, let's be present fathers. Let's be good boyfriends in. So those
let's mentor our kids because sometimes you'll find ukuthi ingcosi yakho looks up to
Thank you.
Then how do you feel with umntwana yakho incanye umjita you'll feel like that guy is
ingcosi yakho which West part looks up to Casper Nyovest. Which is Casper Nyovest is a good role model, but I'm just saying ukuthi you must be proud ukuthi umntana yakho looks up to you more than he looks up to ama role model wakhe because when ula endlini ukubona njalo how you treat ioled lakhe yangithola. So most of the time like you must make sure ukuthi you are your son's role model. That's a good English. Your son's role model.
Another thing Dwana
it's bad
on my chat la machita la most of the time sinabagani aba-abuser amachero wabo and we know them but we don't expose them ukuthi sometimes umuntu uzovela ngokuthini umjita time lona ngimfaka endleleni yangibhayizela kumina ngibhayizela
we see the Lord
is right and we take a blind eye ukuthi okay umjita ugelo wakhe am-abuser and then uzogcina sosejele despite that uzogcina sombulala.
Okay,
don't talk about that. Ngiyabona umjita proud shayile lesa singabuyi late uyangithola. We don't talk about that and we don't encourage each other ukuthi mfethu ugelo ubona ukuthi yakubhayizisa phuma da. Know your worth now.
I've heard guys saying mina ngisafuna ukuadvise impintshami because whenever ngingena indaba ze relationship yayo kusasa yena nogelo wakhe bayabuyelana then you become a bad guy. Let's say now I come to you now njengomjita I say yo ugelo wami yangibhayizisa ugelo wami uyenza 1 2 3 1 2 3 because you my guy umjita wami you like uyabheda nogelo then kusasa wena umbona nogelo umshaya ngebhomu in because you are mad at her on my behalf. Then the next day mina nogelo wami sesibambene ngezandla so sele we one like and then okay lam na yaphapha
and couple pillow talk mfana
ngiyangithola
ugela sakhulumisi no because she know
ungasahambi nalo
ngiyangithola influence
bad influence so
I get
that's also that chat
I get that yo
and also this one is too deep.
Let's go deeper than the ocean.
Okay bo kunanabo baba laba they specialize on what's the word? They specialize on manipulating women. Especially women who are single. Like and ubaba umdala uzofika empilweni akanomama lona acts like he cares. Ahlala endlini akanomama lona. Abusibadi makoti. Then he owns that house.
That thing is bad.
Ukhale sakhe isiqathulo udla imali akanomama lo nomama lo uyo provider because nomama lo nayo udinga uthando akalithola she's lonely so you take advantage ubaba omdala you take advantage khona like to other guys it's a profession bro.
It's a profession and ilabo sorry to say that ilabo baba bangana backbone like mina if ngahlala netime ngibona bali njalo irrespect will never be there because ngiyacaba ukuthi lo
sure
sometimes I wouldn't say ukuthi lo time lo controller umfazi or in ukuthi mfethu uzohlala umama uyam-abuse ngapho uyamshaya ngapho uyophandayo uyangithola uphanda uma-old lady wena you are fucking narcissist uhlezi lapha unekele uyangithola unekele ntombi but that's a good topic mfanele we don't talk about that ukuthi umuntu ushaye isibubu uthi abheka lesifesi ngithengele i-24 ngahlala
uyangithola
uyabo yo
it's bad. It's really hectic.
Very bad.
What else? Let me think. Hey, there's a lot of things that are happening in life, bro.
On my chat about my stepfathers, ngibuyele la. Kuku ex wami ngithola. Lo ex lo ngamgcina kudala umbona like recently ngahlangana naye. Ngathi ngihlangana naye it was Boxe Mall. Then I was like, hey, for a long time, for this keep on. Yini ngiyambona ngathi depressed, stress, yini udliwa yini ngiyangithola. Ayangitshela ukuthi hayi man Fisto kusona so reason being mina nawo ngahlukana nawe kwenganasikhathi sakho ngithola i-stepfather sami kwesingi-abuser back then ngithola via sim-raper because the stepfather was a breadwinner lapho ngithola sim-raper or in and she was saying that kunina zama ukuzibulala ngithola then I was like yo sometimes my stepfather they can be so cruel angithola ukuthi ngazo-rape because back then lo mntana kade ingcuso esikela ngisayiphushana uyangithola imagine if lo mntana lo unaleyo trauma leyo from ase-18
then
manje kunjani
we also we must shame abomama abahlezi ba-defend ama-stepfather.
That's what she was saying. She was
like yo it's sad bro
but umama always kept saying ukuthi man umuntu osebenzayo ulo uyi-breadwinner so if
so you must keep quiet and let that guy abuse you.
She told me ukuthi waba nencosi nathi abangisona encosi ne-stepfather sakho manje uyangithola but kubo they try to pin i-boyfriend ukuthi hayi incosi ye-boyfriend but they know ukuthi incosi ye-stepfather.
Yo, kunanabomama laba bro they go all out for love and they end up doing things shit, that don't make sense. It's like how can you
unjani mozo tata iside lomuntu ongamazi ukuthi uphuma vani hlanganiswe yini uthando or ini le ncosi yakho uyomlethe emhlabeni and that's nama social worker yakho no intervene because they're trying to protect umjita lo wenza into wrong.
I think also that goes to it's sad when your parents whether ubaba wakho or mama wakho whenever things are not going well for them then they decide ukuthi ba divorce ienga yakhona bayikhiphele ebantwaneni. It's like umama wakho makabona wena ubona ubaba wakho or ubaba wakho makabona wena ubaba wakho makabona wena ubona umama wakho so all that betrayal all that toxic thing that they had it comes back to you. Now you are wondering all of a sudden why ubaba mangangithandi or mama mangangithandi because it's because i-trauma le bangayisolvanga. So I think now it's better ukuthi we should make ama divorce be a mutual thing. Whenever you divorce with your partner, like hlalani phansi and make sure ukuthi you get it closure so that thing cannot affect abantwana. No matter how toxic it is, ayikho into engalungiseki. I always say this. Yithi nje nama ego wethu esizitshela ayikho into engalungiseki. So with us now growing up sizoba bobaba we should do better. Whenever uhlukana nomama omntana like no matter ukuthi uchitile or no matter ibhlungu kanjani try to sit down naye nikhulume find closure so that yonke lento le doesn't come back to haunt
you
because manje mina ngifuna ukubheka ingcosi yami ngibheka ingcosi yami ngikhumbula umamayo ukuthi angenza so
now you are trying to punish the mother.
Now I'm trying to punish the mother nganengcosi so we should do better. Yabona
and then ingcosi obviously ingcosi what I like about ingcosi they don't forget though.
Thank you.
Ingcosi they don't forget the way you treat umntana or if you treat her bad uzoyifaka engqondweni la. And the time, because like a ticking bomb, the time umntana explode, actually indaba zakho when is the time, you won't like it.
And also,
you won't like it.
Since this episode is about, you started it with my fathers in. Let's give a shout out to young present fathers. Like, yo, shout out to you all guys. Anginamntana ne, but to see umjita umncane odafo umntanakhe. I know how hard it is. Like we have dreams. We want to reach our dreams. We have a lot of things going on in our lives because we are still young. Abangani bethu, they are living life. Bayaspend, ababhaya impahla, bagcoka kahle. And wena konke lokho nakho you trying ukuthi ukenzela inxosi yakho. Like yo, and I think they don't get. I'm not saying bayenza favor. It's a must ukuthi uyenze lento le, but because amajita amaningi awayenzi lento le. Like shout out to you all like for being there. Maningi ama temptations njalo. Maningi amajita athi this weekend siyavasa keep ama 5 clipper. And we pay 5 clipper. Hey, but ne 5 clipper yabona inxosi yami ayidinga ne 5 clipper le kuphuma ama pampers kuphuma ibisi kune 5 clipper. Hey, I'm good. So you sacrifice for umntanakho. So shout out.
That's being responsible. I think it's a must for every guy.
It's a must.
It's a must.
It's a must.
It's a must. Sithi mekubona na I feel proud ukuthi ubaba ngiyamgijimela ngithola. It's very nice ngoba uma usithi yangena inxosi yawo. Yayiphanda nami le. Yayiphanda. But what we don't condone like uba nenxosi eyibhaya at a very young age.
Yeah, especially different mothers. Yo.
So no pay mama drama about 3 Tina no pay mama about 3 told you and the worst part let's say you have 3 different mothers or one kubo ba grand young thought cheese ama parents akabogogo bakhe inxosi bayibhekela isidwadlo always on point then abaye baby mama feeling that when you are doing more for that other child kanti abayazi ukuthi ubaby mama wakho number 2 kubo i-background yakhe ba sharp uyangithola. Then that's what caused baby mama drama. Kodwa uzofeeling ngathi uwothe ngomntana ama label ama in kanti you don't know ukuthi mama ba sharp sesichizi uyangithola.
I have this question. I don't know if it relates to what we're talking about. But do you think amajita amabhaya ama decision wabo abhaziswa utshwala? Mentality every weekend ngiyabushaya. Do you think that affects ama decisions wama out?
I can say that because the reason being maybe yabona now most of the time ngikucheka udangiphuza. Yeah. Because now I could see mengidagi sometimes I make bad decisions. Okay. I'm a guy who usually spend boma 2 clipper actually. Yeah. But when I exceed ngibona spend boma 6 and I'm doing that consistently. Nah man, something wrong. Sometimes I don't do it
yeah.
I used to do that ngokuthi impress amajita. Amajita ngenzela amajita. Ngikhona impintshi yami igcineni nathi ngibhayibhodlela in just to feel uyangithola.
Yeah.
Abantu ukuthi feel excited ukuthi ufisa ungenzele 1 2 3 but at the end of the day that thing doesn't benefit you.
Yeah, true, yeah.
Ukudaba kwipokoto. And amajita, what they will say,
yeah, and
they will appreciate that in Tagi.
Sure.
But on the next day, when they paparazzi, I should stick it to this.
And as umjita, it's important to have friends that wants the best for you.
For you.
Like make sure ukuthi wonke umuntu ona doesn't see you as a threat. Wonke umuntu ona knows ukuthi when you shine, nabo bayashine.
But sometimes
so that's how you become straight.
But sometimes on that topic of when your friends want to see you shine, sometimes I would say, like if the ship angithola nasisikepe siyavaya no, you can't carry wonke amajita wakho like wafika lapho like I could say success is not a group work or it is a teamwork but it's not a group work. Khona amajita slow you back uthi uzakuhlanganisa amajita mara yasho nomjita impintshana why hold up back ngithola uyokusindayo on that thing you are trying to push.
And it's not like
night train ya lokhuza ne Mauritius khona manje and you are driving it, will control it.
And sometimes cutting people off, it doesn't mean you are a bad person to me. It's just me now having different goals and you don't fit to what I'm working on now. Not good you betrayed me, now you didn't. But on the journey that I'm on now, you don't fit because I already know how you think. I already know how you move.
I already know your mindset.
You didn't betray me.
What I can say, boy, when I'm a guy who take everything ngicabanga ngisizwe ngithola
before
ngenza decision if you're my friend, ngiza nge-idea so na so, then ayabheda wena uzama ukuzenza umechi uyangithola, let's say on this
Podcast.
uyangithola, wena ini yabheda ini, no, you're a fucking negative guy nigga, uyangithola, then I will do it regardless with or without you, uyangithola. But izinto manje seziqala uba lokhuzana, I will tell you ukuthi ntwana ngiyabona now you are here ngoba isitimela sayatsamaya no uzikhipha and you'll feel bad
yeah, that's what they always do.
Oh, you'll feel bad mase ngikhuluma iqiniso, sober minded uyangithola uthi afet no isitimela siyavaya no.
Mangabe there's one thing esingayifundi thina as abantu abamnyama is to look in the mirror and blame ourselves and take accountability. Which why is this thing happening to me? We always want to make ourselves feel better by blaming another person.
You
like
can't do that.
your life
Blame
will
yourself,
change if you go to the mirror and be like, why is it happening to me? What must I change? What must I do? Why are all my friends switching up on me? This thing of blaming other people, you won't see growth because when you ufuna ukuba
victim. Sometimes don't play a victim. Take the responsibility for your actions and tell we should okay no ngiyathatha ama responsibility ama actions wami la ngenzile ngifakapile so na so lo mjida lo ngisavaya nawe so I train yamshiya no. You don't have to cut off that.
And it doesn't have to be kwadi bro. Whenever singasasabangani, it doesn't have to be ukuthi sikhulumane kabi.
Blacklist each
we just outgrow each other. Then you like fade it.
Also on another planet. I
think we're running out of time, but
no?
It was deep. This episode was deep. What do you think about amajita dlela abangani babo? Just to make it lighter. Because we've been talking about deep things. We've been talking about deep things.
What I can say, amajita
Okay. Nice question. If now you are in a spot, okay, kamchita wako uyakutexa and be like, yo, I like you, I've been seeing you whenever I come with your friend. And yeah, I think you are a nice guy in him. Would you tell Umjita or would you just mice that girl and let their relationship keep flowing? Or you will tell him after they broke up, hey, what would you do?
That's
as we end this, what would you do?
What I would do, because sometimes machita we talk, maybe ngasho nawe izumjita utalisa
let's
sometimes machita on the relationship they can tell you ukuthi ntwana ngizwana nalesa but asinto serious uyangithola then told ugel lese ushayile hawo but umjita ukushayilile ayikho serious iyalandelela you know what machita will say siyalandelela kanti ugel vele she texts you angithola makakutexa kanjalo angazi ukuthi what she will do, but I don't think mina fana loyalty over everything. Loyalty over everything.
Let us know what you think. Like, share, subscribe, do the most. I hope lento le man. Let's chat about it.
Let's get one more guys. Shit. I got this.
See you.